The white chocolate tart is an elegant and delicious dessert that combines the crunchiness of a short-crust pastry base with the creaminess of a white chocolate ganache. Perfect for a special party or as a refined end to a meal, this tart is a real treat for those who love the delicate and enveloping taste of white chocolate. The recipe is simple to make and guarantees a result that will leave everyone speechless. Ingredients: for the short-crust pastry base, 250 grams of double-zero flour, 125 grams of cold butter, 100 grams of powdered sugar, 1 whole egg, a pinch of salt. For the white chocolate ganache, 200 grams of white chocolate, 200 milliliters of fresh liquid cream, 50 grams of butter. Preparation: in a large bowl, sift the flour and add a pinch of salt. Cut the cold butter into pieces and add it to the flour. Work everything with your fingertips until you get a sandy texture. Add the powdered sugar and mix well. Add the whole egg and knead quickly until you form a smooth dough. Wrap the dough with plastic wrap and let it rest in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. After the resting time, roll out the short-crust pastry with a rolling pin on a lightly floured surface until you get a thickness of about 5 millimeters. Line a 24 centimeter diameter tart pan, previously greased and floured, with the rolled-out dough. Prick the bottom with a fork. Cover the base with a sheet of parchment paper and fill it with dry beans or baking weights for blind baking. Bake for about 15 minutes, then remove the paper and beans and bake for another 10 minutes or until the base is golden. Let it cool completely. Chop the white chocolate into small pieces and put it in a heat-resistant bowl. In a saucepan, heat the liquid cream until it is about to boil, then pour it over the chopped white chocolate. Let it rest for a minute and then stir gently until you obtain a smooth cream. Add the butter cut into pieces and stir again until completely melted. Let it cool to room temperature, stirring occasionally. Pour the white chocolate ganache over the cooled short-crust pastry base, leveling the surface with a spatula. Let the tart rest in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or until the ganache has completely solidified. Curiosities: for a decorative touch, you can add red fruits, such as raspberries or currants, on the surface of the tart before serving, creating a pleasant contrast in color and flavor. Alternatively, you can sprinkle with some powdered sugar or decorate with white chocolate flakes.